few moments later.
Guys, so today is Saturday and we are on the 6th day of my vlog. These are my daily routines. So, ngayon, nalit ako ng gising, pinapa ko na yung pagkain ko. Pinapa na lang siya. At ang aking coffee. So, yes, makukompleto ko na rin yung vlog ko na 7 days. This is a 1-week vlog and a daily routine. What I am doing in my room, this is a vlog of the answer. So, kain tayo guys!
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Nakauganyan ko ng basa ng Our Delivered Daily. Talaga, as in, araw-araw nagbabasa. Kasi daily bread talaga yan. Napakaganda niyang Bible book na yan. So yeah, I always read that. And oh my God, kompleto na yata yung aking mga books na yan. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Would be so hard. I grew up without a scar.
So guys, after ko na magbasa na Our Daily Bread, yan, nag-aaral na ako by topic ang inaaral ko. So yun. So yeah, enjoy watching my vlogs.
Happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing. Not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside, away until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. 'Cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Oh, oh, oh. I wanna stay wide open. Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. 'Cause if I shut down, it just gives them right.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Good morning! And nakaligo na ako. Actually, yung ligo moments ko, mabilis ako maligo, mabilis ako kumilos. So, 15 to 20 minutes ako naliligo. Kasi ayoko magstay sa water kasi talagang kumukulubot ng balat yung mga kamay ko. So, 15 to 20 minutes lang ligo ko. As in, faster talaga as much as possible. So, ito yung pang labas ko na damit. Bukod ng panloob ko, bukod yung kakain ako sa baba. So, ito lang. Paglalabasan, yun. Bawal kasi mag-sleepless sa babae. So, my second day wearing this t-shirt kasi kahapon ko lang siya nasuot na half day. So, ngayon. I love this t-shirt. This came from my brother from Saudi. So, yeah. Kakain na tayo. And, hindi pa rin ako tapos sa ginagawa kong flashcard. And, I will gonna upload how I make my flashcard and how I make my review through index ruler and flashcard without unrolled. So right now, katapos ko na maligo, wala akong makeup, wala akong eyebrow, as you can see. Wala talaga. Walang lipstick. So guys, see you later. Nandito na ako sa room again at kumain na ako mabilis sa kain. And nagpalit na din ako ng short. So, pagdating ako. Tapos talaga. So, 4 pa na subject ang aking igaganito eh. So, maybe Monday makabili ako ng plain na ganito. We'll see. And hirap talaga maging review guys. So many, especially in nursing. Kasi napakadaming subject. 5 lang yung nasa board exam, pero napakadami yan ng subject talaga. Yung 5 na yun, oncology, endocrine, psychiatric, nursing leadership management, nursing research, preoperative community health nursing, obstetric, neurologic, renal, musculoskeletal, respiratory, GI or gastrointestinal, cardiovascular,
emergency disaster nursing, communicable nursing, and hematologic disorder. Yun lahat yung topic ng 5 subject na yun. And it's so hard. Napakaraming field of nursing subject na naka-include. So let's do this, guys. Now you see me how I do or be productive daily. So this is how I made my day in the dormitory as a reviewee. So guys, sorry if yung hands ko is super dumi right now. Kasi ganito talaga ang reviewee. Madumi ang kamay. May mga highlighter sa kamay, red ball pens, black ball pens, at saka mga whiteouts. Talaga super. Mamaya na ako maghuhugas para isang beses lang ako maghugas. So, let's do this, guys.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today.
So, hi guys. Natapos ko na yung aking paggawa ng flashcard. So, naubos ko yung index talaga. Dahil sa Lunes bibili ako. Tapos, ito. So, ito. Natapos ko na siya. 3 na lang gagawin ko na flashcard. So, symptoms, medical management, yun. I-define ko siya isa-isa para para malaman ko kung marami na akong alam. Kasi super hirap talaga. Since this is my 4th take and nag-review center ako 2 times. And sa self-review ko, doon pa talaga tumaas yung grade ko. So, tapos na. Ito na. Napakarami nito. So, ayan. So, ito. Yung style ng lettering ko, nakalimutan ko na yung style. Pero may tawag sa lettering ko. As you can see, ito yung style ng lettering ko sa cover. May shadow siya, pero meron siyang lettering na dikit-dikit, parang script sa ibabaw. So, ganito ako mag-design ng lettering ko. So, ayan. Tapos na. Nagawa pa ako nito. Naubusan na kasi. Mag-aaral naman ako dahil tumigil ako sa endocrine madaling araw kanina. So, yung list ko ng aralin ko, gumagawa talaga ako ng list ko. Tapos, chine-checkan ko siya pag naaral ko na. So, kaya pag nakita mo yung list ko na inaaral ko, halimbawa, dalawang check, ibig sabihin, 2 beses ko siyang pinasadahan ng basa at konting memorize. Ganyan. So, ganun ako. Inorganize ko yung pag-aaral kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsimula at napakahirap talaga. Napakaraming theories. Ganun ako always. Gumagawa ako ng list. Sa planner ko, may list din ako. I will show you my planner. Yung pangalawa kong ginawa na style ng pag-aaral ng second review ko. So, yung libro, sinamarize ko siya. As in, sulat talaga. Meaning, kapag sinulat ko, nabasa ko na. Ito lahat yun. Niringbind ko yung index. Tapos, sa ibabaw, may mga quotation, yung mga motivational. Tapos, naka-organize siya. Then, meron siyang index pag binuklat mo, sunod-sunod. Yung page. Hindi naman page, kasi meron akong page yung index na talaga palatandaan. Tapos, pag nagbabasa ko, binabasa ko siya. Yung index ko kasi flower style yung index flag ko. Tapos, pag binabasa ko siya, ang ginagamit kong flag index or flag post-it ay yung mga one color plain na index flag. Ibig sabihin, nandiyan na yung binabasa ko. Ganun. So, ito, yan. First subject, yan. So, ito, marami pa rin to. Kahit ito, isinama rin na yung libro, marami pa rin siyang sulat kamay. So, meron pa akong ginawa talaga na summary talaga. Para mabilis ko makita yung mga topics. Napakahirap, guys. Ayan. Gumawa ako ng summary ng normal value sulat kamay with motivation sa per cover. Then, yan. Normal values. And then, lahat na sakit, anong pwedeng position. Sinamary ko siya. So, ito siya. Tapos, summary ng mga topics na maliit na notebook para mabilis kong malaman kung anong system yung sakit na to kasi napakaraming disorder. Kaya, ginawa ko yung halimbawa, cardiovascular, heart. Tapos, gumawa ko ng flashcard na walang nakalagay na kahit anong mga sakit lang talaga din yung system. Then, ang gagawin ko ay i-define ko siya sa symptoms, yung manifestation, right? Then, intervention, nursing management, nursing action, and what else? Yung mga medicine sa sakit na yun. So, yun ang gagawin ko. So, ganito. I will try my best. So, ayan. I will video myself defining one video lang kasi baka sabihin nyo mayabang ako, guys. Hindi ako mayabang. So, I will show you kasi minsan may mga tao na judgmental na wala akong ginagawa sa room ko. Obviously, nag-aaral ko. Ngayon, I will try to video myself using flashcard na nag-aaral ako na dinidefine ko bawat isang sakit. So, we'll see. We'll try our best. Actually, na-inspire ako kay Holy Rachel of Cambridge. Yeah, na-inspire ako sa kanya. And her flashcard is mas malaki ang size nito, pero naisip ko ganito na para tipid ako sa index. So, hi! my Holy Rachel of Cambridge University in London. So, I'm a fan of her sa pag-aaral. So, we'll see. And yeah, nandito na ako sa topic na endocrine. So, I will try my best and I will do my best to pass the exam just to make my father happy after all the hardness he suffered from Saudi. And yeah, this is for him. So, see you later guys. Maybe later grocery ako kasi wala na akong grocery. So, pag hindi na ulan, mag-grocery ako. So, I will try to video myself by something na kinakain ko. Pamerienda lang dito habang nag-aaral. So, see you later guys.
2,000 years later.
So, hi guys! Nagpunta ako sa Lianas that time. So, yan, nag-video ako. So, ang gaganda ng mga washi tapes dito. So, doon sa mahilig mag-journal, they can understand me. So, I love washi tapes, guys. So, yeah. Enjoy watching! So guys, ayun, tapos na ako. Okay, pauwi na ako. Dito na ako sa dorm. Umaakit ako. Dito sa dorm kasi na to, wala tong elevator, guys. Kailangan umakyat. Pwede rin kasi it helps your heart naman, di ba? So, nasanay ako. Nasa 5th floor ako, guys. From ground floor, 5th floor. Yan, inaakyat ko, guys. Grabe. Super experience yan. Pero, I'm happy living at the dormitory, guys. So, this is my life living sa dormitory ng mga madre. So, as you can see, this is my room sa 5th floor. Malapit yan sa pinakang rooftop. Para siyang penthouse na joke. Di yan para siyang condo unit yung aking kwarto dyan.
2,000 years later.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a
So
spark.
guys, after kong mag-grocery, bumili na something sa Lianas, aral na ulit ako pagdating sa dormitory. Aral tayo para sa lisensya, para pang nagtrabaho tayo, wala tayong problema, walang happy sa atin, meron tayong license. Diba? So yeah, hope you enjoy watching my vlog. Okay, mawawalan ng pag-asa guys doon sa mga nagre-review na tulad ko. So, I'm sharing this video para ma-inspire kayo. So, guys, I've been a long journey of passing the board exam. So, guys, huwag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. Mag-aral din.
Though it hurts so bad, I wanna stay wide open. Cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn. Just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open.
So guys, hanggang dito na lang ang aking vlog. Hope that you're watching my vlog. Hope you study well and passing the board exam. See you in my any other vlog. This is my Saturday routine, living alone in the dormitory ng mga madre.
Though it hurts so bad.